Jack is amazing. He's a totally different dog. I can't believe how great Meg and Sunnidale's done for him. Yeah, I would recommend this program to anyone.
Mango's gonna make them a dog person. Differently. She's beautiful. Yeah. All right. So if you had to sum up the whole experience in one word, how would you?
Life changing.
Oh,
Amazing.
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 Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Very
Fantastic.
Yeah. Well, thanks for sharing Tika with us.
Oh, no
Thanks
problem.
for making her a better dog.
And the transformation that he has made was absolutely phenomenal.
So now the first time you came back and saw sweet little George.
He's a different dog.
Oh, so different. Like, it's a miracle.
You're so thoroughly impressed.
I can't, like, there are no words to describe how happy we are, like, with the results. We're definitely going to bring him back.
Enjoy our time with him, and the difference is remarkable. We just practiced walking with other dogs, and there was no reaction at all, and he's a completely different dog.
Sunnidale Boarding Kennels in Angus has been making pets feel at home for over 20 years. Now offering Good Dog Board and Train program for the love of dogs. Treat your pet to a Sunnidale day. Search Sunnidale Boarding Kennels to reserve your suite online.